Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you'll be watching this video. So today I'll be taking you on how Canva works. I'll be teaching you on how Canva works. So open your Canva. Okay, the first thing to do when you open your Canva is to let me use my brush, go to this place. So on your own it might be 3 line, but because I've connected my email to this Canva, that's why it's showing that's the sign of my email that has been connected to my Canva. So the first thing to do is to connect your email to your Canva, so that if you lose your phone or anything happen, and if you buy another phone, you can be able to recover all your design because it's connected. Your Canva is connected to your email. You get. So the first thing to do is to click on this icon. So let me log out and show you how to log in. Let me log out. And continue with another account. Continue with Google account. So let me choose my account. It has connected. Can you see it? Can you see this icon here? So anything you are designing, it will be installed in your email. It will be installed in your email account in case if you lose your phone or anything, so you will not lose any of your design. Go to this custom size. So first of all, you create your workspace size, the size you'll be working with. Use pixel. There is inches, there is millimeter, there is centimeter. So just highlight any one you want to work with. So let me go to design. So this design is where is a template of anything you want. This design, just click on this design. So this design is a template of anything you want. It's a template of anything you want. If you want a template of fashion, preliminary kitchen, you want to design kitchen logo or anything, so they will give you the template how you can design it. You can see, but I don't encourage any beginner to use templates. Rather, you start from the scratch and learn. So guys, let's go to elements. Click on elements. So element is where you find all kinds of shape. Maybe you want to search for rectangular shape. Just click on that search. Then rectangular shape. Can you see them? These all kinds of shape here. I see all kinds of rectangular shape depending on what you want. So you can just pick any one. All these ones that are written Edu with cap inside are pro. So those ones are pro. So you can only access them if you are using Canva Pro. But these ones without Edu so are free. So you can find all kinds of shape here. Or search for anything at all. Let me say email icon. Can you see? These ones are email icon or anything you want to search for. This is where you search for it on Element. That's where you do your search in Canva. Just go to Element, search anything and to bring it out for you. So test. So you can explore on this. You can use add a heading, this little one and the second one, then the third one. So this is where you find different tests, all kinds of tests with different fonts. So you can explore on this. You can explore on this. You can explore on this. So if you want to make use of these bold moves, you can highlight on it, then it comes to your workspace. You see. So but I don't want to use it. Let me just delete. So gallery, if you want to make use of anything from your gallery, so you can just click this gallery, then highlight on it, and it comes inside your phone, inside your Canva. You get. So let's go to brand. Let's go to brand. If you want to add any font, this is where you go to on this brand. If you want to add any font, this is where you go to. So but I don't really use it, but you can explore. It is expected that you even do more better than the person teaching you. So upload. If you want to upload any file from your phone to your Canva, just click on this upload files, then highlight any image you want to upload inside your gallery to your Canva. Just highlight it and then upload to your canvas. Upload it to your canvas. Then you will not need to be uploading from your gallery again because it's already in your Canva. Just go to this upload and bring it to your workspace. Then tools. So these are tools where these are tools you use for writing. You can use it for signing a document. Maybe you are designing for someone, the person need a signature, so you can use it and person can use it and sign. Okay, this one, you see. So you can use it for signature, you can use it for drawing, you can use it for writing, you can use it for anything. You get. So let me delete. Because I don't need it right now. Let me just continue this tutorial. Okay. So projects. So project is where you find all the work you have designed from your canvas. So all your design is on this project. So I don't know why network is having issues. So this is where you find all your work, all the design you have done from your Canva. So this is where you see them. So that's all for projects. Then app. I don't want this tutorial to be long, so let me just continue. I will teach you this app on my next video. I'll be teaching you this app. So let me go back. So any property you highlight, anything you highlight on this space, So we'll also be reflecting on this your workspace. So it has its own property. So let me show you. Let me just write something from. Let me just write. Oh my god. Okay, let me just use this. Ada is a girl. Ada is a girl. Don't know where this. It appears two times and I don't need this one. So let me delete this one. Ada is a girl. So can you see all those upload gallery is no longer here. So because um I'm writing another thing, so each property it's now reflect on this place. Let me show you. It's now reflect on this place. So anything you click has its own property. So Ada is a girl. If I want to edit, I can click on this edit and continue with my writing or something, or edit my write up. So font, I can change the font. I can change the font from this place, this arrow. Let me change to Montserrat. So this Montserrat, can you see this arrow here? This arrow, you can click on it. Montserrat has extra light, there is regular, there is medium, there is semi bold, there is extra bold, there is bold, there is black. So let me just use bold. I want it bold. As a graphics designer, you don't use multiple fonts. You can use one font. You can use one font and change the style. Just like this Montserrat. Let me show you again. Just like this Montserrat. This Montserrat, you can just click here and change the styles. Change the styles like this, like this, like this. So you can be writing different things and just change the styles. So as a graphics designer, you can just use two or three fonts at most. You don't use multiple fonts. You don't use multiple fonts. You can use one font, two font, three fonts, or just change the styles and use one. That's how you become a professional graphics designer. So let's go to test styles. Test styles. So this is where you determine how you want your text to be. Is on heading. If I want it to be is on heading, you get font size. If I want to change the size, you can reduce it from here. You can actually increase it from here. You get. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue. Color. The next thing is color. If you want to change the color, add a color to your write-up, to your design. You can change the colors from here. Get. Can you see it? Can you see how I'm changing the colors? Can you see that? Can you see this? So you can change the color of your design from here. You can change the color from here. And as a graphic designer, you don't use too many colors. If you want your design to be professional, you don't use too many colors. Just use two or three colors in your design. You get. Use two or three colors in your design. You don't use multiple colors. It makes your design non-professional. It makes your design non-professional. So let's continue. Format. So this is where we determine how you want your write-up to be. You can make it bold. This B is for bold. Can you see it? This I is italic. Can you see how my text is slant? So can you see this one is underlined? Then this one is stroke. Can you see it? Can you see that line in the middle of my text? This one is stroke. Then this one is uppercase. If you want all your write-up to be on capital letter, this is it. Just highlight on it, it will be on capital letter. This one is left alignment. If you want all your text to be aligned left, just click on it. Then this one is center align. Then this is right align. If you want your text to be right align. So this is as this fourth one is the same thing as left alignment. Then these ones now, can you see it? If you are writing anything and you want to, if you want to number them, or you want to indicate which one is which, so you can just click here. Or you want to number them, can you see it? It's now number 1. If you want to write another number 2, it will reflect there. You get? So but I don't want it, so let me just continue. That's for format. So advanced. So if you want this for letter spacing, if you want each of these letter, Ada is a girl, to space on each other, just like this. You get? Each letter will be far from each other. This is how it's going to be. You get? If you want to reduce it, you can reduce it from this side. Can you see it? But let's do it to be moderate. So line spacing. Let me write another text so that you understand this one. Obi is a boy. Okay, let's go back to our advanced. So if you want to, this one you'll be spacing your first write-up from your second write-up. So it's line spacing. Can you see it? So you can reduce it from here. You can increase it from here. If you want the first line, your first sentence to be far from the second one, so you can do it from here. That is for line spacing. Line spacing. You get? So that's it. Let me continue with my Ida is a girl. So let's continue. Advanced effect. Oh, network examination. So this one is how you want your text to be. How you want your text to be. If you want your text to have shadow, just click on it. Then this one is lift. However you want your text to be. Can you see it? It's reflecting on our workspace. Can you see please? However you want your text to be, just highlight on this. Then click the middle. If you click the middle, you can increase how you want your glitch to be. Can you see it? You can increase it. Can direct how you want it to be. Is it on the damp out or in the upper side? So can you see it's reflecting on the place? So if you want to change the color, you can change the color from here. Just click the color and change the color. Change your color. So let's continue. Let's go to animation. I don't want this video to be long. Let's go to animation. So however you want your animation is like emotion graphics. So however you want your text to come. So can you see it? To just be like that. So let's click none. We don't need any of this. We don't need any of this. So this transparency. If you want to reduce it, so can you see it? Transparency. Reduce it, increase it. And that's all for that one. So we'll continue in our next video. I remain Esy Global Computers. If you have not subscribed to my channel, just hit the subscribe button See you in my next video.